We're living in the golden age of the internet. Never before has it been so possible, so realistic, to earn money online without constantly trading time for it. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, build long-term wealth, or just create financial breathing room, passive income online is one of the smartest ways to make it happen. So in today's episode, I'm sharing 7 online passive income ideas for 2025. These aren't pipe dreams or get-rich-quick schemes. They're real, achievable strategies you can start building today, with consistency, creativity, and a bit of patience. Let's dive in. 1. Sell digital products. Let's start with one of the simplest and most scalable ideas: selling digital products. What does that mean? Think: ebooks, Canva templates, budget spreadsheets, Notion, dashboards, printable planners, Resume designs, logo packs, Lightroom presets, coding snippets, online tutorials. You create something once, then sell it unlimited times. No shipping, no inventory, no handling returns. Let's say you design a simple budget template and sell it for $10. If 100 people buy it in a month, that's $1,000. Now imagine having 5, 10, or 20 digital products out there, all earning on autopilot. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, PayHip, and Creative Market make it incredibly easy to upload, sell, and automate delivery. And with AI tools like ChatGPT or Canva, creating digital products in 2025 is easier than ever. This is scalable, automated income at its best. 2. Affiliate marketing. Up next is a classic, but it's still wildly effective: affiliate marketing. Here's the deal. You promote someone else's product or service, and if someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. This works beautifully online. You could have a blog, a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, or even just an email list. Let's say you love a productivity tool like Notion, or an online course platform like Skillshare. You share your experience, maybe in a video, review post, or even a tweet, and drop your affiliate link. Every time someone clicks and buys, you get paid. And the magic is, that content stays online forever. A blog post you wrote a year ago could still bring in affiliate commissions today. Some platforms offer recurring commissions too, meaning if your referral keeps using the product monthly, you keep earning. Affiliate marketing is like planting seeds all over the internet. Water them with great content and watch them grow. 3. Monetized blogs or niche websites. Have you ever Googled a question, landed on a blog post, and seen ads, product links, or pop-ups? That blog might be earning its creator thousands of dollars a month. And you can do it too. Start a niche website around something you enjoy or know well, like minimalism, photography, travel hacks, or personal finance. Write helpful articles that answer specific questions. Use SEO tools like Ahrefs, Ubersuggest, or Surfer SEO to find keywords people are actually searching for. Once you get traffic, you can monetize it through display ads like Google AdSense or Ezoic, affiliate links, sponsored content, selling digital products. The best part? Once your content ranks on Google, it can generate traffic and income for months or years without needing updates. Building a niche site takes time, but it's one of the most stable and passive forms of online income out there. 4. YouTube, faceless or personal. Everyone knows YouTube pays content creators, but you don't have to be a YouTuber in the traditional sense. In 2025, faceless YouTube channels are booming. These are channels that don't show your face, or even your voice. They use AI voiceovers, stock footage, animations, or slideshows. Think about top 10 facts, scary stories, business news, meditation music, whiteboard explainers, motivational speeches. Once you publish a video and meet YouTube's monetization requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning through ad revenue, affiliate links and descriptions, brand sponsorships, merch, or digital products. YouTube is a powerful content engine. Create once, earn forever. And with tools like Pictory, InVideo, and Descript, it's never been easier to produce high-quality videos without showing your face or learning advanced editing. 5. Stock content. Photos, videos, music. Are you creative with a camera or microphone? Then passive income is hiding in your files. You can upload stock photos, videos, music, or sound effects to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Pond 5. Epidemic Sound Artlist. Each time someone licenses your content, you earn royalties. What kind of content sells? Everyday things, coffee pouring, busy streets, a person typing, nature sounds, lo-fi music loops. Creators, ad agencies, YouTubers, and brands are always looking for content. And once your files are online, they can keep generating income over and over again. The more you upload, the more you earn. Even if you only make $2 or $5 per download, it adds up, especially as your portfolio grows. 6. Build and monetize an email list. Social media comes and goes. Algorithms change. Platforms die. But email? Email is forever. In 2025, email marketing is one of the most profitable and consistent online income tools, especially when paired with passive monetization. Start by building a niche email list. Give away something valuable for free, a guide, checklist, or tool, and collect email addresses. Then, send regular emails. Link to your blog posts or videos. Recommend affiliate products. Promote your digital products. Offer exclusive content through a paid newsletter. Platforms like ConvertKit, Beehive, and Substack make it easy to start and scale. With 1,000 loyal subscribers, you can easily earn $1,000, $5,000 a month with the right offers. You own your list. You control the reach. No ads, no gatekeepers, just direct connection and income. 7. Online courses and memberships. What do you know that others want to learn? Whether it's graphic design, digital marketing, Excel, investing, or watercolor painting, you can turn your knowledge into an online course. In 2025, platforms like Teachable, Kajabi, Thinkific, Udemy make it super simple to create and sell courses. You record lessons once, upload them, and let the platform handle payments and delivery. Better yet, consider launching a membership site. Users pay monthly or annually for access to courses, coaching, calls, Q&A sessions, exclusive content, community forums. It becomes recurring revenue. Serve a small audience deeply, and your income becomes stable and predictable. Even if you only charge $10 a month, just 200 members equals $2,000 a month, and it grows as your audience grows. So, which of these 7 online passive income ideas sparked something in you? Selling digital products, affiliate marketing, blogging, YouTube, stock content, email lists, online courses. Each one is a door to freedom. And in 2025, the tools, platforms, and audiences are already waiting. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, passive income isn't about doing nothing. It's about building systems today that take care of you tomorrow. Because time is the real currency. And with online passive income, you can finally start buying it back.